All right, so it's been a few minutes. So as you know, some of them are cheese, some of them are empty, and one is hot dog because one of my kids likes hot dog. So I'm gonna show you this one. Pop a little bit of a cheese. See. And look how soft. And then I'll break it like this. Oh, it's so hot.
Yes. Mama.
Take this so you can see inside.
Mama, there's a room.
Awesome. It is really good.
There's a room also.
It's delicious, soft, very tasty. Very tasty. I'm just gonna cut hot dog one because I have to cut it for my daughter anyway, so you can see. Yeah, this is the one.
This is.
See?
This is.
Yeah, so it's really good. It is cooked already. I'm gonna try to take it out for you.
Mama.
See? It is cooked. She likes these. Yeah. And then one is empty, so it's but they're all cooked and baked actually really, really good in the oven. Yeah. See? Each of them. He's telling you, you see? Let me show you just a little bit. You want to tell them thank you, please subscribe. You did it. All right, so we're gonna go eat. You guys make this, enjoy, because it's really, really good. Like it and subscribe. Bye. All right, so it's done. So we're gonna just go like this. Make sure that there's parsley on top. My baby, yes. Food, so you can eat. He wants to help me. Oh, Dean. And then we have the small ones, two here. It's hot, don't touch it, okay? All right, so as you can see, it's really nice. So we're gonna let it sit for maybe a few minutes. See, it's so good. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna try one of it so you can see inside how it is. Be back. Mama. Okay, so I already mixed the cheese here, just a little bit cheese and a sour cream, and you can really put any kind of cheese. I got the feta cheese, but you can do any cheese that you like from the store. Then make it flat like this. All right, so that's almost done. So we're gonna prepare what we're gonna put on top of it. So we got a little bit of oil here. We're gonna do quite a lot parsley. Okay. Tiny bit salt, not a lot. A bit of a pepper. Oops, good, this one. Oh, that's good enough. We're gonna take this and we're gonna mix it nicely. See, she's gonna be. Now we're gonna show you how to put on top. It's gonna be so good.